This video is about getting rid of staynotified.com, the malicious pop-up that displays pretty misleading information. It tells that you have a chance of winning a $100 gift card. It says sponsored competition, congratulations. As a sponsored promotion, you can win a $100 gift card. All you have to do is choose the right gift box. The problem is that it's a tricky message that is not grounded by real actions. When people click on this claim gift card, they may be forwarded to a lot of other suspicious pages in the internet, specifically the sites that may collect personal details about you, such as your name, your email address, telephone number, and sometimes even the credit card details. So be very careful when these alerts pop up. Do not trust them and do not interact with them. Stay away from sharing any personal details through such fake alerts. The reason why such pop-ups come up in your browser may be explained by the presence of certain adware in your Mac. So, first of all, consider manually examining all your available applications. If you find that there is something suspicious here, right-click on it and move it to the trash. But the problem is that sometimes the adware is concealed deep in the system, so you cannot visually establish where exactly it is. Now, I would recommend that you perform the additional analysis of your Mac, the automatic analysis, with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on this page, combocleaner.com. So download the application, then install the software and start scanning your Mac with this utility. You'll need to wait until it updates the database, then click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free research of your Mac will begin. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs free scanning of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, it gives the detailed report about the current threats found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific threat, how to remove each threat manually. And for free, you may click on this icon that means Show in Finder, and you may click on it, and this will show you its direct location in Finder. You may right-click on the adware and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other detected items. Click on this icon and move the detected threat to the trash. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version, which will perform the removal automatically. Thanks for watching.